Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Basics. In today's video, I will be guiding you through how to leave a Nextdoor community. It is super easy to leave a Nextdoor community and it can be done in a couple of steps. First of all, open up a web browser and log into nextdoor.com. After you are logged into your Nextdoor account, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Under Communities, click on the community you want out from. Now, click the three dots at the top right corner from your community page and click on Leave Community. Click on Yes and you will be able to leave from this particular community on Nextdoor. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.